Today is Friday, December 15th. I do have work today. Good thing I do work not so early today. Sometimes most of my schedule is early, like really early, 6 o'clock in the morning. But today I do schedule at 10 a.m. So which is yay, good. I don't have to wake up really early because when I do work early, I have to wake up like around 4:30 in the morning early because I have to get ready for work. That's how I get ready for work. I don't like running out of time. I have extra time to get ready. Every year I do like to put a little Christmas light on my window here in the kitchen. It looks really nice at night. That's our window over here in the kitchen. So I always make sure every Christmas I do a little Christmas light on that window. And here in the living room again, my 6.5 foot Christmas tree. I thought it was 7-foot Christmas tree, but not. It's only 7.5 foot Christmas tree. And there you go. We have some gifts already on the bottom of the Christmas tree, but I still need to wrap some of Christmas presents maybe later after work. I'm gonna do a Christmas wrapping later after work. We'll see. It depends how I'm tired. Hopefully I'm gonna do some Christmas wrapping tonight after work. So we got package delivered today. I don't want to open it because Dan don't want to open any packages that we ordered or we received. Yes, Dan don't want to open any packaging that we received for the mail, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. So, hindi ko nabuksan yung advent calendar ko nang nabisi ako Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 na araw hindi tayo nakapagbukas ng advent calendar natin. Nabisi kasi ako eh. So, pagod rin galing sa trabaho. So, ngayon na lang natin bubuksan yung 4 na araw na hindi natin nabuksan yung advent calendar natin. So, Monday ngayon, naisipan ko ngayon na lang natin buksan yung 4 na yun na hindi natin, again, na hindi natin na-open nung mga nakaraang araw. Tara, buksan na natin. Dito na lang tayo magbukas sa kitchen kasi binabantayan ko si Eli. Natulog na sana, nakatulog na siya. Nung inilagay ko siya sa crib niya, nagising siya. So maya-maya ng mga 30 minutes, try ko ulit siyang patulugin kasi kailangan niyang mag-nap para makatulog siya ng maaga mamaya. Open na natin siya, guys. So, isa yung, nasaan yung number 2? Mas malaki yung number 2, ah. Ayan, tingnan natin yung number 2, kung anong laman ng number 2. No. Don't get closer to the, I'm boiling water. She wanna play in front of the stove. That's too dangerous, Ayla. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, green tea mask. Ayan guys, meron tayong green tea mask sa number 2. Meron pa tayong ibubukas ng 2, 3, 4, 5. Saan yung number 3? Ito yung number 3. Yung number 3. You want this one? Number 3. Uy, excited ako sa number 3. Parang jewelry siya. Ayan o. Ayan yung number 3, Grace. Oh, ala, jewelry nga siya. Uy, ang cute. Necklace ata. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Necklace ata to eh. Ang cute. Ang ganda ng ano, lagayan oh. Ito yung number 3. Mamaya na lang ipakita ko sa inyo. Basta necklace ata siya. Sunod yung number 4. Yan yung number 4. Come on. Aww. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Number 4. Roller ball oil. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Pero yan yung number 4 natin. Isa na lang. Number 5. Okay. Yung number 5 na lang. Last na to. Bukas ano tayo. Na-busy kasi ako. Nakalimutan ko. Tinamad na ako sa sobrang pagod ko pagkagaling sa work. So, hindi na tayo nakapagbukas. Ito yung number 5. Bath salt. Ayan yung number 5 guys. Bath salt. Yan. Ton. Bukas ulit natin bukas tayo, mag-advent opening tayo bukas. Ayla. Tingnan mo guys, hinuha niya sa ilalim ng Christmas tree. Kay mami yan para kay mami yan sa Christmas. We cannot open that. Gusto niyang i-open. No. Daddy will gonna get mad. We'll wait till 24th and then we'll open it. No, 25th in the morning. Yeah, Christmas in the morning we'll open that. That's for mommy. Huh? That's for mommy. Ayan na naman tayo. Salita ako ng salita. Hindi pala naka-record. So, ito, uulitin ko yung pangalawang advent calendar na nakuha natin. Green tea mask. Ayan. And then, yung pangalawa. Ang cute ng pangalawa. Ang ganda. Ito, necklace. Ang cute-cute. Ang ganda. Ito yung number 3. Yan. Ang cute. Ito, guys, yung number 3 necklace. Yan. Ganyan itsura niya. And then, ito yung pang-apat, roller oil. And then, yung pang-lima, lavender bath salt daw siya. Yan yung pang-lima. So, hala, excited ako sa necklace. Ang cute-cute ng necklace. Ang cute ng necklace. At saka yung yung purse niya, ang cute din, no? Sobrang cute, ang ganda ng kulay. Gusto ko talaga yung red color. So, bukas, itry natin i-open yung pang-anim na advent calendar natin bukas. Ito yung the best na open natin ngayon sa advent calendar natin. Ganyan yung itsura, guys, ng necklace. Oh, ang cute. Yan. Meron tayong necklace. Suot nga natin. Paano ba ito isuot? Hirap ata. Ganyan yung tsura, oh. May hirap siyang isuot. Pag sa camera. Nagutom ako sa kasalukuyan. Nagluluto ako ng soup. Yung Nor soup. Masarap to lalo na pag malamig. Madali lang lutuin. Pakuluan nyo lang hanggang sa maluto yung noodles. Ayan. Kasalukuyan nagluluto tayo ng noodles. Hindi noodles, soup. Yung itsura. Luto na siguro yan eh.